Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Elijah D. Batson. I'm the one who resigned as the reporter. Mark worked as an office clerk at a small company in Taguig. He earns monthly salary of 22,000 pesos. This month, he worked 20 regular days and rendered 4 hours of overtime, paid at 1.5%. He also received a 1,000 pesos rise allowance, non-taxable. For number 1, we're going to compute Mark's daily and hourly rate. To get the daily rate, we're going to compute the monthly salary, which is the 22,000, and the 20 days that he worked. So we're going to divide the 22,000 pesos to 20 days. So 22,000 pesos divided by 20 days is equals to 1,100 days. 1,100 a day. For hourly rate, we're going to divide the 1,100 per day by the standard work, which is the 8 hours. So 1,100 pesos divided by 8 hours is equals to 137.50 per hour pesos. For number 2, we're going to compute the SSS, which is 5%, PhilHealth 2.5%, and pag-ibig 2%, based on salary of 22,000 pesos. First, the SSS. SSS is 5%, but first of all, we're going to divide the 5% by 100 to make it decimal. So 5 divided by 100 is 0.05. We're gonna multiply the 0.05 by the 22,000 pesos. So 22,000 pesos times 0.05 is equals to 1,100 pesos. For PhilHealth is 2.5. Again, we're gonna divide that 2.5 by 100. So 2.5 divided by 100 is equals to 0.025. Now we're gonna multiply it by 22,000 pesos. 22,000 pesos times 0.025 is equals to 550 pesos. For pag-ibig is 2%. Again, we're going to compute 2% by 100. So 2 divided by 100 is 0.02. Now we're going to multiply it by 22,000 pesos. 22,000 pesos times 0.02 is equals to 440 pesos. For number 3, we're going to compute the overtime. Our hourly rate here is 137.53. So to get the hourly rate, we have to get the 125% of 137.50. Our hourly rate is 137.50, and we're gonna divide the 125% again by 100. So 125 divided by 100 is 1.25. Then we're gonna multiply the hourly rate and the 125%. So 137.50 pesos times 1.25 is equals to 171.88 per hour. So we're gonna multiply the 171.88 pesos per hour by the 4 hours that we overtime. So 4 hours times 171.88 is equals to 687.50 pesos. For number 4, we're gonna compute this gross pay, which is salary plus overtime plus allowance. Our salary here is 22,000 pesos and our overtime is 687.50 and our allowance is 1,000 pesos. So 22,000 pesos plus 687.50 plus 1,000 pesos is equals to 23,687.50. For number 5, we're going to compute this taxable income. To get the taxable income, we have to minus the gross pay by the allowance. So our gross pay here is 23,687.50 and our allowance is 1,000 pesos. So 23,687.50 pesos minus 1,000 pesos is equals to 22,687.50. So for number 6, we're going to compute this total deductions in net pay, no withholding tax due to income. To get the total deductions, we have to get all of the value of SSS, PhilHealth, plus pag-ibig. So our given value by the SSS is 1,100 pesos, and our PhilHealth is 550 pesos, and our pag-ibig is 440 pesos. So 1,100 pesos plus 550 pesos plus 440 pesos equals to 2,090. So next, the net pay. To get the net pay, we have to minus the gross pay and the total deduction. Our gross pay again is 23,687.50 pesos and our total deduction is 2,090 pesos. So 23,687.50 pesos minus 2,090 pesos equals to 20,597. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you.